videos to put on my story, and yeah, that's all. I mean, Pyarnal is still going on really great. The growth every day is actually incredible, and it's really happy I am, because Pyarnal is genuinely, like one of the most special songs for me, because they released it on my birthday. Then we shot after 4.5 months, and it was with Darshil. So this song is really close to my heart. So that's why I really appreciate you guys, supporting it, and so everything. Hello, hi, Om. There's Beautiful, and then there's Anushka, period. Thank you. Yana's song was really amazing, Dee. Thank you. It is so special. It's honestly so adorable. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's why I just came randomly, live. I was like, I'll just have a talk. Because I will come live even more, like probably this week sometime. But like I thought for some time I'll come. Can you say a Catherine Pierce or a Damon dialogue? Which dialogue should I say? I think Damon's dialogue I will say, but which one? That's what I'm thinking. If I have it in my mind, I'll say which one. কি খবর? ভালো, সব ঠিক আছে। Oh. Hi Didi, hi. What dialogue? The only thing which is coming to my mind is like, hello brother. What are you watching currently? Sakina, what I'm watching currently is, I started watching this Korean series called It's Okay to Not Be Okay, which was referred to me by Roshni Walia. She was like, it's really good, so that's why I started watching it, and it actually had a good look and feel also. So I started watching it and I'm having fun. Also, I watched this movie called Work It, which has Sabrina Carpenter, Liza Koshy. It's a pretty fun movie. I actually enjoyed it, which I watched with my mom. She also enjoyed it. What else did I watch? It's another movie that I watched. Oh yeah, I watched Kissing Booth 2, like long time back. I watched it. Did I tell you all? I didn't, I think. So I watched Kissing Booth 2 when I was going to Chandigarh. Flight me. It's pretty fun, huh? Because with all the shield and everything, 2 hours you're watching a movie. It's pretty fun. Pyarna is a very nice one. Thank you. It is so good. Which one? Elite, right? I have to watch Elite. Let's see when. I'm waiting. Did I just say waiting? I'm waiting to watch Lucifer, which is coming on 21st August. Watch Eli. Where are you? I am in New York actually. As you can see, this is New York. Actually, you can believe also, because lagta bhi hai na, nahi New York, nahi na. But anyway, my mom's giving me a look. But yeah, I'm in New York, and actually no, if you guys take it seriously, then sab bolenge, bro, why are you in New York? Why did you go? Where did you go? How did you go? I'm at home, guys. घर पे ही हूँ मैं. I'm at home today. Amay Pandya, hi. What's up, Pandya? लगता है न्यूयॉर्क. See, I know, guys. This amount of support is crazy. Big fan from Pakistan. Thank you so much, Ibrahim. Your favorite song? I'm listening to this song called Electric Love, which is, it's wow. You know what I mean? मतलब बाप रे बाप, what a song यार. क्या गाना है वो. Electric Love is wow. And हिंदी में I am tripping on दिल को करारा है. My dad also says hi to everyone. Hi Ayan, किसका बर्थडे आ रहा है कल? Ayan's birthday is there, guys, tomorrow. Please don't forget to wish him. Huh? I'm live on Instagram. Lots of love from Kolkata. Thank you so much. কেমন আছো? ভালো আছি, তুমি কেমন আছো? Jannat Anushka bestie. Ooh, wow. What's up with your college admissions? I took admission. मेरा हो गया admission. What am I supposed to say? Big fan from across the street. Thank you. Amay. I appreciate it. किसका तो आ रहा है? हाँ यार, किसी का तो आ रहा है. Sameer Khan, hello. अरे वाह, yes, my admission is done, but I don't know what's the plan. Like कैसे शुरू हो रहा है? I think probably it's gonna start from online. When will you and Janat come live together? Pretty soon, I think. If I meet her, I'll come live with her. Yeah? That's, I think, a better idea. Instead of, like adding and all, वो तो ठीक है, but मिलके मज़ा आता है, अलग ही. Hi Shashank, hello. Hi Priz. Anushka Zain is the most beautiful girl alive. Breathe if you agree. How do you guys do this? I mean, wow. The fact that you didn't even wear much makeup even on your birthday, accepted the fact that you're a goddess. Thank you, yeah, Sakina. I am like this. I don't know what to say. Until unless somebody does makeup for me, I don't. I mean, I'm a lazy person. I just do this much only. This is the maximum I can do. Like birthday pay is the maximum I can do. This is even lesser than that. Can you imagine? Are you liking my post? Yeah, of course. Why not? Love your post. I get ready, my makeup, when I do, I get ready in 15 minutes. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. Now, there's sometimes, some days 30 minutes ho jata hai. When I'm playing music and I'm in that. You know what I mean? Isa chala gaya pura. Hello, one day motivation. Was that Jannat from your phone? Ayan, Jannat ने लिखा क्या? You look in the Mahadev serial, yes. Ariana or Billy? It's tough, man. I think I really like both, but I think Billy, thoda ज़्यादा. Which highlighter do you use, Anushka, and which brand for brushes? So for highlighter, I use Rene Cosmetics, because that's the best. Ashka these. Rene Cosmetics is the best one, best highlighter that I get. And for brushes, Bobbi Brown. Steroline or Claroline? Shit, I can't even say that. What the heck? I think Claroline. Nope, Silent Love. It's me, Ayan. Where was your birthday outfit from? So there were a lot of birthday outfits, if you remember. So the red one was from Fashion Over, and this one is a gift from mom and dad. It's from Zara. This also I was wearing on my birthday for a while. So yeah, this one's from Zara. I really like this one. I mean, the color is really pretty. And I was also wearing another one, which was UCLA. That is also from Zara. Subrat's music. Hard Ice. Who's Khushbu? Somebody wrote Khushbu. I'm not Khushbu. Yes, you had like 4 outfits. Of course. That's the perks of being, in like at home. So then you have to